Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3Set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable the FSR post-processing in Dead by Daylight. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the options. Now in those options, go over to graphics, and here we will have the post-process section. And here we will be able to enable it by clicking here with our mouse button. And here now we can set the sharpness of it. So from 0 up to 100. And as you guys can see, that's basically it. So we can easily disable it here or enable it here. And I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.